Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete border from certain page in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my documents. It has 4 pages. You have to see I have only borders to first page. Now I add these borders to all page. Select these borders, then go to insert menu. Now click headers and footers. Now press headers option. Now move these borders to headers up to headers option. Headers. Now you can see I add borders all page. Now I remove borders to certain or specific page. I remove these borders to second page. You have to go first page, then select this first page, then go to insert menu. Now click break option. You can see here are section break to next page. Now you can automatically select to second page. Now again go to insert menu. Now press break option, then press section break to next page. Now go to second page. Now double click on this headers options. Now you can see here are different first page option. Click this box. Now you can see I delete borders from certain page in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.